Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. We basically left off yesterday, soaking the bird of paradise seeds for 24 hours. It is 8:06. We are kind of like an hour early, but I don't think that's going to make much of a difference. So I've already labeled my pot. This is bird of paradise and today's date. So I'm going to go ahead and make my rows. As you can see, this soil over here, these four plots are really, maybe you can't really tell, but they're very dark because they're already moist. I watered them yesterday, or maybe I did I did it today. I can't really remember. But this is really dry. Okay, just gonna go ahead and put some. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my seeds now. Just gonna pick them out of the water. Doop. Now, I'm still a little concerned about whether or not I'm going to actually let them grow outside. Winter is basically coming. Some would say it has arrived. So I'm thinking maybe I'll keep these inside and I'll put them under a grow lamp. And maybe I'll try to find a window with a reasonable amount of sunlight, which might be kind of hard in my house. Okay. Especially with a cat. So and I'll put some more dirt in this one. I don't really like this plot right here. But we're gonna make it work. In the words of Tim Gunn, make it work. Okay. So that's pretty much it. I have them labeled. I've put them in the rows. I'm gonna basically cover them up a little bit, but I'm not gonna record that part. So I have them, I've plotted them, I've planted them, and we're gonna see. Now remember, the germination period is very, very long, so you probably won't see another video about these particular seeds until maybe I don't really remember. Maybe like a month from now, or maybe even 2 months. I don't really remember, but it's a very long germination period. So that's pretty much that. And yeah. And I'll be looking at other people's videos too, because I really want to see how these particular flowers grow, because they're so special and pretty. All right.